Stand by now for your dispatch. Gates open, they're up and racing. She's Gorgeous, Terrible Marvin in between runners. Then by the release, Let Choice moving a party outside. Lady Keen followed over by Goldfield. Then in between runners, Dark Sequence, Heron. By the rail, Major, and Tail to Tell as they race towards the half-mile pole. Now we have Let Choice takes the lead by about a length and a half. Lady King drops back in second, running on the outside. Goldfield followed by Dark Sequence. Then comes She's Gorgeous running on the outside. Major, Heron, and Tail to Tell as they race at the last 450. Lady King regains the lead on the outside. Let Choice by the rail. Goldfield, Major, Terrible Marvin, Dark Sequence as they swing for home. Lady King, Let Choice is by the rail and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Lady King running at the center. Goldfield, Let Choice. Then comes number 4, She's Gorgeous. And leading the finish line, Lady King. Goldfield moving up in between runners. She's Gorgeous moves up, and finally She's Gorgeous, Goldfield, Lady King, Tail to Tell, Let Choice. Then comes Terrible Marvin, Heron. Number 7, Major, and Dark Sequence.